Yeah, it looks pretty technical and pretty tough, and I'm sure you'll get plenty of C-grade action. The guys will just go straight in the ruts, and I think you'll see the pro guys crossing the ruts so they don't fall in them.
Yeah, that's the best way to start the year off. I was really looking to try and get that first win, and yeah, it all went well, and yeah, I had a bit of a lead coming into that final moto, and yeah, unfortunately Chris, he was motoring around pretty good and had a bit of trouble with the bike. But
I don't know what place I got because my chain derailed in that final moto last night, and the ruling is because I was a lap down, I get the slowest time. Plus 60 seconds, so.
Yeah, well, I looked at the times and there was like, I think Hollis was in front, and then someone was 2 seconds behind, and then 3, and then 4, 5, 6. We had like 6 guys in the top, and within 10 or 15 seconds.
Yeah, today was a little bit up and down. My enduro tests and stuff, I didn't seem to do too well in, but the rest of the tests and that were pretty good, and I had a stall in one of the tests and bits and pieces, but in all fact it was all pretty good. So.
Yeah, it was good. We were close again. We were close yesterday.
Yeah, no, I had a good day yesterday. Ended up taking it out. Had that final moto out here in the park here, and it went pretty well there. I think me and Greenie had a pretty good battle on there, and ended up coming out on top. So it was a good ride. Today started off not too well. Had a bit of incident in one of the grass track. I washed the front end and come down a couple of times, but other than that, I started getting better as the day went on.
Yeah, the day started off bad. They made some changes to the track and went through some tape and ended up cartwheeling off into a tree, so that was no fun, but managed to sort of regroup a little bit, got out there and rode every test the best I could and tried to put the Yamaha in front. The trails were difficult today and it really suited me. I really enjoyed the trails and having fun with some mates, so for me that was probably the best bit of the day.